Hey everybody, we're talking about addition rule today. This is not a smiley face, that's the OR sign. Addition is the OR rule. So just going to do two examples on this. We're both going to use deck of cards for them. So the addition rule overall is this. The probability of A or B is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the overlap, minus the AND. Or you could also think of it as both. So let's do two examples. We're going to do a mutually exclusive example and a not mutually exclusive example. First we'll do the not mutually exclusive example because it makes most sense with the formula. So I want to know, find the probability of drawing a club or a king. Well, these are the clubs down here. I'm just going to outline it in yellow. So club or a king. King will be the greens. And you could find this by just counting up all the possibilities and doing it out of the total. That works. But I want to show you how to use the addition rule while we're doing this. So we're going to create this rule out of clubs and kings. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to copy it, put it down here. I'll put one over here as well. And we're just going to call the first thing A and the second thing B. Sometimes you can use different letters if you want. Like, I can even call it C or K if I wanted to. But for now, let's just say a club is A and a king is B. Cool. So, the probability of a club or a king is the probability of a club, which is 13 out of 52. 13 out of 52. Probability of a king is 4 out of 52. Again, you can look, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus the probability of the overlap, the both. So I look at my deal and I'm thinking, okay, where's the overlap? Well, the overlap is that guy. He's both a club and a king. So there's only one of those. So I'll do minus that and plus for those two, just like the formula says. And that ends up as 16 over 52. That's a great looking 5. 16 out of 52. You can reduce that to 8 out of 26, 4 out of 13, 4/13 if you want, or else you can write as a decimal. It's up to you. But that's where we're doing it. So now we're going to do a not mutually exclusive example. Now we're going to do a mutually exclusive example. Not mutually exclusive means there's overlap. We have an overlap example. The next one we're doing is not going to have any overlap. This is actually easier technically, but it confuses people with a rule sometimes. So, club or a diamond. So I'll make green diamonds this time. And I'll make clubs purple. So there's no overlapping part there. They don't share a card. Well, so we'll call green is clubs. Or sorry, green is diamonds. Call that B, why not? And we'll do purple is A. Okay, club is A. So there's 13 clubs. There's 13 diamonds. And the probability of both a club and a diamond, well, there is nothing that's a club and a diamond. You cannot pull one of those at the same time, so the probability is a big fat 0. So there's nothing to subtract. So I just end up with 26 out of 52 is my total. That's the OR. And you can also reduce that to 1/2 or 0.5. Anyway, that's my basic video on mutually exclusive, not mutually exclusive, and additional. I hope that helps. Have a good one, everybody.